Hello, my dear little ones. Welcome back to the math session. I hope you all are doing well at home. Today, we are going to learn about sliding and rolling of objects. Rolling means when the things turn over and over again. So, objects which are curved, round, they roll. Sliding means when the things go down at once. So objects which have flat surface slides on sloping surface. So children, let's check which object rolls and which object slides. Now see, I have a lemon which is round and it has a curved surface. So let's check. It rolls. Rolls means it is turning again and again. Let's take another object. Now I have a ruler, but it has a flat surface. So let's check. It slides as it has a flat surface. It is not turning again and again. Let's take another example. This is a ball. Ball is round in shape and it is curved. So let's check. It rolls, turning again and again. Let's take another example. Now children, see, this is a bangle. Now you can see this bangle this is a flat surface. So if I keep here like this, it slides from the slope. But you can see here this surface, it is circular, it is round. So you know that if round surface is there, what will happen? It rolls. It is turning again and again. So we can say that this bangle, it slides also and it rolls also. So next, this is a bottle cap. Now this bottle cap has a flat surface. So if I keep this here, what will happen? It slides from the slope. Now you can see here it also has a circular surface. So naturally it will, here from this side it will roll. So bottle cap roll also and slide also. Now let's take another example. This is a book. It has a flat surface. So if flat surface will slide from the slope. Then I have one more example. This is a eraser. It has a flat surface. So if I keep here, what will happen? It will slide from the slope as it has a flat surface. Now this is a coin. You can see a coin has a flat surface. So it will slide. But children, you can see here it is a round. So if round surface is there, it will roll. So children, we have seen that some objects they roll, some they slide, and some are the objects which roll also and which slide also. Children, let's revise. Today we have seen objects like lemon, ball, they roll as they are round and curved. Objects like ruler, book, eraser, they slide from the sloping surface as it has a flat surface. And we have seen objects like coin, bottle cap, bangle, they roll as well as they slide as it has flat and curved surface. I hope children, you all must have understood about sliding and rolling of objects. You can also try out with different objects at home. Keep learning and keep practicing, children. Thank you.